We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with Mmat Materials Inc. doing a full transition here from the rip area to the red bars here, from bright green to red bars, and then full transition back up here with strength today. And today Mmat was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 11:15 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see popping up there on the screen within the options chain, some options went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Mmat trying to push back up. We're going to break down some key levels, and we're also going to cover in today's video briefly Muln stock, as a lot of people are watching it and it's showing strength within the charts, and we're going to look at the charts together. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular, beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bull indicator since 7:11 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, into the bell and after the bell, and call options went up 250% plus within hours, guys. And as you see there popping up within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Mmat Materials Inc. doing a full transition, as I stated earlier in the video, from bright green bars to red bars and back up to the rip area here of bright green bars on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips to the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives that edge within the volatility. So here we are with Mmat Materials Inc. under a bull indicator, and the inflows have crossed back over, canceling this bear indicator from yesterday, and now the inflows are dominating over the chart, and this will be crucial going into tomorrow. And the other thing as well, within the volatility on the 15-minute, it's done a full transition from the dip area of white with red borders, as I like to call it, to the rip area here of bright green bars, and those inflows picked up midday, and that bull indicator has been strong since 109. It found support above $1, and as I've shared, the closer this gets to $1, the higher the possibility of the risk of getting delisted or getting that NASDAQ compliance letter, creating the stir-up for a possible reverse split. But the bulls are putting up a fight here, and the key resistance to the upside, as I've shared, is 120. Now it's back up above 115 going into the end of the day, but it's going to be crucial here for these inflows to stay above and this strength to continue on the 15-minute. Same thing on the 30-minute, and as you could see here on the 1 hour, these outflows are still dominating, and it has a bear indicator here since 112. This needs to get canceled. More strength here to the upside, and I would watch closely if these inflows can pick back up here on the 1 hour chart for Mmat. That's what I'm watching there. That would be crucial, and that's what I would watch carefully. The first support to the downside is 110, then 105, then $1 as I've shared before. And then to the upside, it's 120. And if that's accomplished, then 125. And anything above that, we can reanalyze and see what's going on in the charts. And specifically, I would watch in the process if it starts to continue going higher, if these inflows pick back up with strength on the larger time frame, such as the 1 hour, and continue to hold strong on the 30-minute. Now, let's pull up Muln stock and look what's going on there. A lot of people have been commenting about it on my previous videos, and a lot of people are watching it, talking about the possibility of a squeeze going on since it has so much short interest and such a high cost to borrow. Let's look at these charts together. So here we are with Mullen Automotive Inc. And as you can see here, it got a bull indicator since down here at 20 cents after hitting that dip area on December 28th. But the inflows have not crossed back up on the 30-minute. And this is very interesting because when you go to the 1 hour here, same thing, the outflows are dominating. It's below the midpoint. But this bull indicator popped up after hitting that dip area. Full strength here on 42 vision. And it did this way back here in December. Going into the mid of December. Pulled back down. And now it's running again. Getting to some very interesting resistance levels based off the history of the chart. And this is critical because 33 cents is where it's at right now. And that's where it rejected when it tried to come back up. And it hit highs here of 40 cents on that last run. So something to not ignore and miss, and keep in mind here within the technicals, within the charts, and key levels of resistance from the previous run. Now, is it guaranteed to react the same? No, but not something to overlook, and definitely something to keep in mind. Now, when you go to the 15-minute chart, you could see a little bit more of the volatility, right? These inflows, when they cross over like they did today at around 30 cents, and those inflows followed by that bull indicator, and things have hit highs here so far of 33 cents. And you could see the zigzags in the strength and weakness within the charts. But when you zoom out though, and we look at this from the bigger picture, the inflows still haven't crossed over, but we have had some clear direction of strength based off 42 vision and the bull and bear indicators within the volatility. Now, today was the first bear indicator that popped up. So this is starting to stir up some volatility and showing us that there was some weakness today. And if this follows through, or this bull indicator gets canceled pretty quickly, or we reject near these resistance levels as we saw in the history of the chart, it's going to be crucial to keep in mind that the outflows are still dominating on larger time frames. So the first thing I would watch here is if this bull indicator continues to hold true here on the 30-minute, and if this strength can continue here on the 1 hour, no bear indicator just yet. And if these inflows, even though they don't cross over the midpoint, if they could start coming closer to the midpoint to start showing some strength, to continue with the strength on the chart. And same thing here on the 30-minute. And the first support I would watch is 30 cents. Below that is 27 cents. And to the upside, the first resistance is 35 cents, and then comes 40 cents near the peak of the last run in December, guys. That's going to be crucial based off the history of the chart. And as you could see here, inflows hit highs of 0.06, and right now they're at negative 0.004. So something to keep in mind and not overlook. Not guaranteed to make the same exact move or go as far, but something to watch. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.